today we are extremely fortunate to have with us in our studio Mrs. Arnold Schönberg, who has kindly consented to come down and talk to us here in our studio. Next to her is a very lucky break for us, her brother, Mr. Rudolph Kolisch, who just happened to be in town, and I twisted his arm a little bit to come over and join us for a little discussion. Mr. Kolisch was one of Schönberg's first students back in Vienna and just after World War I, I believe it was it not?
Right.
And then you formed a string quartet and performed much of Schönberg's music during the following years. And we're very happy that you can be with us.
To get him in a good mood, he always did some satires of people he knew, you know. It's in a Skizzenbuch, how you say?
Sketchbook.
Sketchbook, yeah. And then he made playing cards too.
Oh yes, these playing cards, a little chair, a little toy chair, you know. The playing cards are quite colorful.
And he loved to make models, of course, step leather for his
there's even a little violin.
You know. Then he
this little paper mache violin.
Oh, he was very proud of it, much more than a music
Stradivarius.
Very proud.
That's very cute. Yeah. And here we have his paint box.
Yeah.
He used to paint in this room. This is not right that we're sitting in now.
No, most of his paintings were, well, the paintings that we will be seeing were from
1907 through 10. This is an interesting aspect of Schönberg's life. He not only created music, but he created paintings, and we are fortunate to have here, as you can see in the background, several paintings from the legacy. And would you like to name some of these for us?
Now, the most known is a self-portrait from behind. He made a lot of self-portrait, of course, because he claimed he had no model. He was the only one who could endure. And
the cheapest model, anyway.
Yeah, anyway, yeah. And then on top there is a caricature of the critic, he calls it.